Hi guys, I'm Johan and this is the video for beginners in Sky. Before we get to the video, make sure to click that like and subscribe button. Now let's get started. First thing you want to do is find this fireball thing in a candle. It would help you make lots of regular candles. Next, flying. Flying is easy to do, but other new players are struggling to fly, so I'm gonna help you. You'll just have to long click the jump button, like this. Gliding is just like flying, but without flapping your wings. Like this. Sliding. Sliding is easy, but others still don't know how. You just have to run and jump down a hill. Like that. Or you could do it on the ice. Like this. Last thing, the difference between a scented candle and candles. Candles are the basic currency in the land of Sky. By collecting light, scented candles are the most treasured currency in Sky, awarded for shepherding winged light through the storm.